بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم ویورز، آج ہم آپ سے شیئر کرنے جا رہے ہیں پنجاب پولیس ڈپارٹمنٹ کی پوسٹ اسسٹنٹ BPS 16 کا پاسٹ پیپر جو PPSC نے 2017 میں کنڈکٹ کیا تھا۔ اس کا فرسٹ MCQs آپ سکرین پر ملاحظہ کر رہے ہیں۔ ہم یہاں سے اپنی پریپریشن کا آغاز کریں گے۔ دی لاسٹ اینول سمٹ آف Shanghai Cooperation Organization was held during June 2017 at the location of Astana, Kazakhstan. The nisab of zakat is 52.5 tola silver or 7.5 tola gold. The car dash front is slowing down. Its answer is in. The car in front is slowing down. Nippon is stock exchange market of Tokyo. Name the princely state other than Kashmir which caused a dispute between India and Pakistan. It's Junagadh. Which type of milk is generally lowest in fat? Skimmed milk. In which heaven Baitul Maamur is situated? Seventh. Who among the following was not head of the state during World War II? Theodore Roosevelt. What fraction of a cake remains when it's to apply League 8 part being eaten? Its answer is 3/4. Basic democracy system was for the first act time implemented in Pakistan in the year 1961. From following, find the correct punctuated sentence. Shakespeare's Hamlet is the play for all ages. The first session of the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was held on 11th August 1947. Gomal University is in Dera Ismail Khan. The tool used for finding a similar word in a document is called thesaurus. Which PowerPoint feature allows the user to create a simple presentation quickly? It's Auto Content Wizard. Who is called the father of computer? It's Charles Babbage. Which body of people is sometimes referred to as the fourth estate? The press. Name of the Prophet who is known by the title of Israel, Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. Headquarters of Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific is located at Bangkok. 3.29 multiplied by 1000 equals to 3290. The synonym of conjecture is to guess. The case system in the subcontinent was first established by the Aryans. Ayatul Kursi is part of which surah? Surah Al-Baqarah. Fill in the blanks. Salma was ill dash fever. Its answer is with. Salma was ill with fever. Which one of the following countries is not a member of OPEC? OPEC stands for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Its answer is UK. Find the odd one out of 13, 41, 43.47, 53, 61, 71 and 73.81. Its answer is 81. Who had coined the phrase survival of the fittest? Charles Darwin. What is the meaning of Al-Hadi mentioned in the Holy Quran? The guide. One metric ton contains dash kilograms. It's 1000 kilograms. Where do the Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean meet? Cape of Good Hope. There has been a complete break of law and order in the country. Its answer is breakdown. There has been a complete breakdown of law and order in the country. A senator is elected in Pakistan for 6 years. The British government announced the annulment of partition of Bengal in 1911. Pick out the name of the prayer which is not preceded by azan. It's Eid ul-Fitr. Choose the synonym of nonchalant. It's dispassionate. A sold a pen for rupees 180. This was rupees 60 less than what A paid for it. What was A's loss as a percentage of his cost price? It's 25%. Which is the largest gulf of the world? Gulf of Mexico. What is the significance of 17th August 1988 in Pakistan's history? General Ziaul Haq died in a plane crash. Which of the following is not a main organ of the United Nations? It's ILO. The world's biggest bird is ostrich. Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated in 1951. Which of the following was constructed by Emperor Shah Jahan? Shalimar Garden. Complete the saying, truth is stranger than fiction. Which of the following helps to reduce spelling errors in a document being typed? It's autocorrect. A man bought 27 apples. 2 by 9 of them are best. How many are good? 21. What is the meaning of the idiom proverb to take with a grain of salt? Its meaning to take with some reservation. Rafael Nadal is a famous player of tennis. Find the odd one out of 10, 25, 45, 54, 60, 75, and 80. It's 54. Who held the portfolio of finance in first cabinet of Pakistan? Malik Ghulam Muhammad. Which year is called the year of sorrow? Anamul Huzn, 10th Nabwi. Who wrote the book The Myth of Independence? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Which country mediated between Pakistan and India, resulting in the Tashkent Declaration, USSR? who was entrusted with the job of dividing the army in 1947, Field Marshal Ochenlik. On what date did the major earthquake hit the northern areas and Azad Kashmir in 2005? It's 8th October. Which one of the following countries left the Baghdad Pact in 1959? It's Iraq. What is the meaning of the idiom proverb to talk through one's head? Its meaning to talk nonsense. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in Africa. When was sui gas first discovered in Pakistan? 1952. The 2000 ICC T20 Cricket World Championship was won by West Indies. In the field of IT, FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. The headquarters of the World Trade Organization (WTO) is located in Geneva. That is Pakistan's biggest export commodity, textiles. Choose the synonym of cataclysm, catastrophe. Which country was the first to formally recognize Pakistan after its creation? It's Iran. The Muslims of Mindanao Islands are struggling for their political rights in Philippines. After the creation of Pakistan, the first radio station was established at Karachi. Name the first Pakistani female cricketer to take ODI wickets. Sana Mir. Which of the following is not related to disarmament? NATO. The cultural center of Gandhara civilization is Taxila. Who is the current president of France? Emmanuel Macron. Short-sightedness can be corrected by concave lens. Who resigned from the Imperial Legislative Council in protest against the Rowlatt Act, Qaid-e-Azam? Rann of Kutch is situated south of Tharparkar. The element which is most abundant in the Earth's crust is oxygen. Which UN agency deals with matters relating to children? It's UNICEF. UNICEF stands for United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. What is the meaning of the idiom proverb to be at loggerheads? Its meaning to be in strong disagreement or dispute. Earth's axis at present is titled by 23.5 degree. The 8th BRICS Summit meeting was held in India on 15-16 October 2016. Which countries comprise the BRICS group? It's Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Presidency of the UN Security Council rotates among the member states of the Council every month. Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, named Ahmad in which surah of Holy Quran? Surah Al-Saf. 2 power 2 then power 3 is equal to 64. Diyamir Bhasha Dam is being constructed in Gilgit-Baltistan. Appreciation is to reward as crime is to punishment. World Postal Day is observed on 9th October. Identify the correct spellings of occurred, OCCURRED. Will you wait dash I return? Its answer is till. Will you wait till I return? How many members are there in the Security Council? 15, Sindh was separated from Bombay in 1935. Kyoto Protocol came into force in 2005. فتح کا مترادف ہے ظفر. رئیس الاحرار کس شاعر کو کہا جاتا ہے؟ مولانا محمد علی جوہر. مشہور کتاب تزک بابری کا تعلق ادب کی کس صنف سے ہے؟ آپ بیتی. علامہ اقبال کی اردو شاعری کامہ حاصل ان کی کس نظم کو کہا جاتا ہے؟ ساقی نامہ. ان میں سے کون سا لفظ ٹھیک ہے؟ ناراضگی. بیڑا اٹھانا محاورہ ہے. اس کے کیا معنی ہیں؟ مشکل کام کے انجام دینے کا ذمہ لینا. کون سی ضرب المثل درست ہے؟ نہ 9 من تیل ہوگا نہ رادھا ناچے گی. ہر چند اردو میں سب سے کم سرمایہ چھوڑا ہے مگر کتنا اور نیچا مقام پایا. رشید احمد صدیقی کا یہ جملہ کس مزہ نگاری کے بارے میں ہے؟ پطرس بخاری. رسالہ تہذیب الاخلاق کس نے جاری کیا؟ سر سید احمد خان. کون سا شاعر بچوں کی حیثیت سے مشہور ہے؟ اسماعیل میرٹھی.